Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool right here, and basically what this is a case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So they also have this available for the other phone as well, such as iPhone 14 Pro. And you see right here is from the brand called Torras. But first I'm going to open this up to show you guys what the case looks like first. So once you guys take it out, here is basically what the inside looks like. So right here they do provide guys a little warranty card, and they also provide guys a little button. So for this button you do have the option to change it if you guys do want to. But right here we do have the case. So we have to take it out. Here is basically what the case looks like. So see the way how to design it, it basically has like a matte clear design. And the material that's on here is anti-fingerprint. You can see how when you guys do put your fingerprint on here, it just disappears really quickly. And then right here you can see we do have the opening for the camera. But if you guys do turn it on the side, you can see how it's raised just a little bit for the camera lens. So that way if you guys actually drop it, it definitely has the protection on here. But see on the side right here we do have the button, and they are pretty responsive when you guys do use it. Same thing for other side right here, and also for the bottom. And then right here is basically what the inside looks like. So when you guys look at the product inside, you can see the product is actually very slim. So when you do put your phone on here, you don't have to worry about being thick or anything, which is pretty nice. But right here you can see this is basically what the inside looks like. So throughout the product and the inside, they do have the protection. They do mention how it does have an airbag technology, so that way it will protect your phone if you guys actually drop it. And when you guys feel throughout the case, it definitely has this very nice material that's on here, which is basically a non-slip material as well. So that way you get a good grip when you guys do use it. So now let's put it on the phone to show you guys what the product looks like. So all you do is just clip it on. Once you guys put it on, here is basically what the product looks like from the back. Here is the side, and then right here is the front. And when you guys do put this onto your hand, it actually feels pretty nice. It's not too big and actually feels really nice on your hand. But what I really like about the case is the fact that how it does have the matte design in the back. So that way it doesn't really show like the Apple logo and etc., which is pretty nice. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to keep unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality case that you can use for your iPhone 14 Pro Max or for your iPhone 14 Pro that has a similar design like the one that we do have right here. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.